first in, best dressed. Come on, Betty, hurry up! Come on! Come on, boys, hurry up! Blow that whistle, Riff.
I think it's the last chance now to get something from Classic. They're packing up now, so go see Simon now and get the last chance to get a bargain. Anything from $5 to $25. Nothing over 25.
Doesn't get the ball back, change it. Hey, big changes, boys, big changes. Get him out. Could be on that, Josh, wait, do this forward. Contact the edge.
Warriors 4. Second try there to Blacktown, they lead 10-4.
Pen go from Will. Henry. Feels good, eh?
10-4, here it is. Blacktown Auburn Warriors.
John, get up hard, John.
Now, today will be the last pool game for Greece. Will play Canada here in their national fixture, 2:25 approximately. And Thailand and Philippines field 2 out the back. Last 2 qualifying games. Greece, Canada, Thailand, Philippines. We'll be announcing some playoffs shortly.
Hold him out! Come on, let's go forward, off. Yeah, get up, get up.
And it's 10-8 now, Blacktown. Just in front of the Warriors 8.
Yeah, let's go! Yeah, right? Go, John! Wait, Tony. Talk over there, right hand side, left hand side!
I'll be running a raffle shortly, so you can go over near the cool room. They'll be selling it there, or it could be coming around as well.
Get back,
and
get
first
back.
prize is a signed State of Origin jersey. State of Origin tickets, second prize. And 1 free child to our mod camp coming up in July, and a classic jumper, fourth prize. So raffle tickets to help the Cabra Matter. Rugby League Club. $2 each, 3 for 5.
Put it up, put it up. Now, Rossi. No. Good chase, boy. Make it, Gus, make it. Boys, back please, boys.
And the Warriors in the lead for the first time. 12 10, kick to come.
You want to play? Is that good or what? Go, Joe.
John, come. Do you look for him? Do you look for him? Can I stay there, Kobe? Hold. Did you want butter?
Warriors 14, Blacktown 10. 6 to go. Now available on your iPhone and iPad. 10 issues, 59, 20, 99. If it's rugby league, it's in rugby league review.
Just keep coming back, boys, please. Or duck.
Our sponsors for today too, the New South Wales Rugby League referees, as well as Uni Cup from Parramatta. We'll put this out. Cabramatta Leagues Club, the New South Wales Rugby League. The NRL, Selling Cross Produce, Rugby League Review. Classic Sportswear, if you've got a bargain today. Foster's Group, Coca-Cola, Goldcrest Security, Blue Star Marquee, JD Mobile Cool Rooms, and all the staff and volunteers in New South Wales, the Rugby League Academy. And that's the volunteers and staff on the New South Wales Rugby League Centre of Excellence.
Yeah, it's going to
Johnny! Just! Bang it! Next it.
sit down, boys.
Just!
Dave, come.
Johnny!
Hey?
Johnny!
Don't go on the party hole.
Now he's got everything else done.
Yeah, don't forget the beer tent is open, as well as if you're coming around, or near there you can buy a ticket to win a State of Origin jersey, State of Origin tickets, a mod league camp position, and a classic jumper.
He's got to ring back tomorrow with the official number.
There is no time.
The other person. Off and right.
Hey, Johnny. Let's go.
Party who? Go on.
The dog wasn't barking. Yeah.
So, last game, Greece and Canada, if you can be ready to be on field 1, and Thailand's Philippines 2 on the back field. Don't forget, you get a copy of each game today on spot-on videos. There's a table near the canteen. But don't forget, if you want to be in air conditioning in between games, all the supporters, go to the Cabramatta Leagues Club and present today's program, and you'll get a $10.50 chicken schnitzel, T-bone steak or fish and chips with a free midi or soft drink.
James! Jerry on. James! Jerry! Head up! Hey! Jack?
It's not done by us, it's done by the Greek wheelbarrow.
Will! Popey! Will! Kieran! Go! Go to Popey.
Let's go. Work hard, Jack. Just work hard. Only got a couple minutes, bro.
18-10, Warriors over Blacktown.
Fix him, Jack!
Keep working hard, Jack.
3 tackles! Come on, Will! Little!
Come here, Jack. That's it. Work hard.
Short side!
Hey! Who said that? Who was it, X? Wasn't Fetty, wasn't Fetty.
Full time here. Warriors 18. Yeah. Well, it's our last game before our playoffs for the Trophy Cup and Bowl. After this, we'll be making some announcements. There'll be a slight break after the next game, and we'll be back here at 3 o'clock. But the next